Yeah. All right. So this interior, how you feeling about it?
I like this interior, but not as much as the Subaru.
All right. So Subi's #1 right now. All right. All right. We're over here at the legendary Boxer Motorsports. So finally going to get some work done by them, and can't wait. Man, this is super light. See, we got the Cobb intake system. It's a SF. It's a Redline. Their Redline carbon fiber intake. So how did you enjoy being taken to Applebee's?
I love their appetizers.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
All right, so today is going to be a fun day. We're going to take the Subi out, and we're starting the process of making it faster than the Camaro here. So we're going to take it over to Boxer Motorsports. They're going to install the Cobb Redline carbon fiber intake, and we're going to go stage 1 plus. And yeah, it's it should be like very interesting to see how the car performs after that. And then right after they're done doing that, we're heading out to go do a photo shoot. So tune in. I think you guys are going to enjoy this one. All right, we finally made it over to Boxer Motorsports. See, we got a lineup of Subis here. We got mine. And what we came here to do today is to take our current intake setup that all you guys roasted me for. See, and that's our current intake setup with the K&N filter that we swapped out and put in, made our own version of a dry filter. So we're gonna swap this whole thing out, and you're gonna see what we're gonna replace it with. All right, we're over here at the legendary Boxer Motorsports. So finally gonna get some work done by them, and can't wait. So let's go check out this intake real quick. All right, so this is the intake over here, and let's check it out. Let's see what we went with. And this is the first unboxing. So let's see what it's looking like. Okay. Let's see what this says. Oh, okay. This kind of gives it away. It's Cobb, all right? But which Cobb did we go with? You see how huge the box is? More Cobb parts here. This feels light. This feels really light. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yes, no wonder it felt so light. Look at what we went with, guys. Man, this is super light. See, we got the Cobb intake system. It's a SF. It's a Redline. Their Redline carbon fiber intake, and man, it is surprisingly light. Look at the inside. It is surprisingly really light. I mean, it shouldn't be because it's carbon fiber, but yeah, it shouldn't be surprising that it's this light. But for me, that someone who never really deals with carbon fiber, it's kind of gnarly. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so this is what we went with for the intake on the Subi. Next time you see it, it will be on the car. All right, guys, so we're out here getting ready to meet up with some other cars to head out into the middle of nowhere to do a photo shoot and also kind of test out the new mods on the car. So as you see, it's like pouring raining. It's raining really bad, but we're still waiting for the other cars to get here, and then we'll head out. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully, you know, we're able to make this meet. Yeah. So yeah. Well, no, I was gonna say, you actually look dope. I was watching your car in the rear view and I'm like, oh, it looks so beautiful, man. That black and white. Oh, okay, my bad. You gotta get all the way dressed. Yeah, man. So, all right, you good? All right, you ready?
I was like, yo, what happened?
Yeah. Nah, so you just need to put oil.
I brought this.
All right, you ready to ride? You getting ready to go? He's good. Let's go. Yeah, race car stuff. Actually, no, BMW stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith, trust, manipulation, communication. All in all, it's true to life. And I know that she trying to track me down like Jack. The hoes that is approach that kid. They got the smooth style, got them open quick. But at the end of the day, I'm left hopeless with my girl on the phone. She wanna know what's up. She called earlier and asked why I ain't pick up. Yeah, there was chickens I was trying to pluck, but I know if I hit that I couldn't shower after the fuck. So I'm on my way home. I ain't feel the phone on vibrate, but I ain't even plan on staying out late. But I can hear it in her voice, it ain't about that. It's about trust and how she doubt that. She think I'm out trying to get laid. You can count that out, I'm only out to get paid. So that's when the fun ended. I'm not a player, but she still wanna punish me. Big pun intended. Need to know what? She wanna know if what we have is real. She need to know what? She wanna know what the hell is my deal. She need to know what? She wanna know how I really feel because I just can't bear the stress of addressing the fear of sex. It's like I don't even care to check the credentials are here the less. It's in bed kissing ears and necks, and my fear protects. I just follow my attraction, lust, and I know there's a lack of trust, and I know that I'm acting up when she try to proceed and believe it while I'm just backing up like a cornerback. Hot feet, or is it just cold feet? I drop the feelings when they too strong and hold the repeating of the past like reruns of sitcoms. She got a new show going, I got a sitcom, and admit wrongdoing and pursuing of other chicks to get to the end of union, and that's how I duck the guiltiness of breakups. So at the end of the day, I say I hate love. Need to know what? She wanna know if what we have is real. She need to know what? She wanna know what the hell is my deal. She need to know what? She wanna know how I really feel because need to know what? True to life, baby. Rock with me. Words, I see you. Chicks, I see you.
So, for everybody that has tuned into this video because they saw the thumbnail, they saw you, they're gonna want to know your name. What's your name?
My name's Kalina Kelly Rasa.
Oh, damn, that sounds expensive.
It is.
All right, so if they want to, like, you know, go follow you and stuff on Instagram, what's your Instagram?
KalinaKelly.Rasa.
All right, I'll put it down below so you guys can go follow her. Now we're gonna ask you some rapid fire car questions. You ready?
I won't get any of them right, but yeah.
All right, well, actually, I'll ask you a simple one first.
Okay.
Out of all the cars here that you see pulled up for the shoot, which one do you like best?
Challenger, Dodge Challenger.
All right, show us. Come. We gotta follow you.
This car pulled in, and I freaked out.
Oh man! All right. So, what do you like about the Dodge Challenger?
It's an attractive.
It's just attractive.
Yeah. Yeah. If I could date a car, it would be a Dodge Challenger.
Wow. Okay. So, how do you feel about the Camaro over there?
Camaro was nice.
Oh! She said it's nice. Oh man! All right. What about the BMW?
The BMW is also nice. But
Wow.
I prefer the.
She's like, why are you asking me about these other cars? I like this. Yeah. She's like, I like the Challenger.
Oh, she likes the blue, and she said.
It's not even because it's blue. It's because it's a Dodge Challenger.
Wow. All right. So
I
put
like the shape
all
of
the
the
cars
vehicle.
here in order, including the Subi, right? So number one is obviously the Challenger. Number two.
Camaro.
Number two is the Camaro. Number
Three
three.
Subi,
Three.
four BMW.
Wow.
My ex had a BMW.
Oh, that'll do it. That'll do it. Yeah. So BMW lost cool points for that. All right. Now I ask you another question.
Okay.
Which car you think is the fastest car here?
Camaro?
Nope.
Subi?
Nope.
BMW.
Yeah. You want to see why?
I remember he told me. It's that.
Yeah. Let's find out why this is the fastest car here. You see, look, once you see signs like this, something that says only gaps, you already know.
Let's see.
So does anything stand out at you that shows you that this thing is really fast?
Twin power turbo.
But that's not it. There's something looking straight at you. Johnny, you want to help her out?
That thingy? You like how quick I went that thingy?
Yeah. Yeah, start it up. Let her hear.
Let me hear it?
Yeah, you got to
The only
hear.
thing I know how to do to a car is re-rim a tire. I was in auto shop.
Oh, for real? Okay.
That was my final exam.
All right. Man. But I'll tell you right now, though, you know which car is going to be the fastest car out of all of these in a couple?
Okay, we're waiting for it. Tell me.
The Subi.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. Now look, you see that little thing spinning there?
Yeah.
All right, now listen to it. Hear that whistle?
I do,
Yeah. Make it whistle, Johnny.
Not too much, you might suffer into it.
All right, we good. That's why that car.
The turbo.
He said, yeah, come check it out. Yeah, so this thing that's as big as your head, that's what it is. Actually, it's bigger than your head.
Thanks.
I have a big head, so.
No.
I
Yeah.
do have a big head.
It's approaching my head size. It's that big. I got a big head.
Literally the most offensive thing to me is when a guy tries to hand me their hat and I go to put it on. My whole mood is ruined.
Oh man, so yo, you want to tell them your Instagram? Because I know they're gonna want to follow too.
Dashlink D Ashlyn K.
Okay,
You'll
all
never
right.
know what it is.
I got you. I'll put, so yeah, hers is down below as well. All right. Now, yo, Rob, get over here, man. We can't have you walking around with all these muscles and not get on camera, yo. Yo. So you guys want to know the one that owns the Challenger is this muscle-clad gentleman here. Now, if you're wondering why he looks the way he looks, he's a professional MMA fighter. So you have a fight coming up anytime soon, man?
Nothing right now. I'm trying to fight in Boston, actually.
Oh, snap. Okay. All right. So, so what's your Instagram in case everybody want to go follow?
Pitbull_unleashed.
All right, Pitbull_unleashed. He even comes with his own sound effects, y'all.
I'm telling you. Wait.
Yeah, all right. So yeah, man. So we just out here shooting. We got like people hiding in the background. We got people that we're shooting. We got actually. He's getting his photos done as well. You know we gotta have Charles on this channel, guys. Yeah.
He came up holding his bag.
You already know. You already know. All right, so we're gonna get back into more shooting, and then after we're done, you guys will probably see some rollers and stuff. So hope you all tuned in and enjoy. All right.
That's very pretty.
All right, so you like the Camaro.
I like the Camaro. I like the white. Yeah.
All right.
Red.
So number one right now, it's the Camaro.
Yeah.
All right, come over to the Challenger. So
One.
So that's one, and that's Camaro's two? Yeah. All right. Now we get over to the BMW.
I just don't like it. That's just my boyfriend.
I like this.
All right.
My ex.
So which one is number one for you?
Dodge. Number 2 is Camaro. Number 3 is BMW.
I would say Dodge BMW.
All right, so 1, 2, 3. All right, let's head over to the Subi. Got it.
Oh, damn. How fast is this?
So
Not that fast yet.
it's about as fast as the Challenger right now, but
Pretty though.
yeah.
It's very pretty.
So as far as engine, which one you going
Okay,
with?
still 1 with Dodge.
Okay.
I think this is number 2.
Okay.
3 is 4 BMW.
And you?
I think this is number 1.
All right, bam, another one for Subi, y'all.
I'd say Dodge is 2.
Okay.
BMW is 3. And
Okay.
Camaro is 4.
All right. So
The Camaro just looks a little slow.
no, okay. So if we were to put these in order as far as speed right now, I think it's the BMW first. Second would be the Camaro.
Really?
Yeah, and it's a tie between this and the Challenger right now, because we're both manual and we're both like around similar
Manual is
horsepower.
that much better.
Yes.
If you're
So-
gonna have a modded car, you cannot have an automatic. I'm sorry.
Bam!
I've
Oh!
never driven a vehicle.
What?
If you're gonna be all like car and stuff and you drive an automatic, you lose points.
Oh my God! She's winning right now, man.
I don't know. I've never driven a car. I've driven a Civic once in the parking lot.
For real? All right. So, all right. Well, listen, you're officially now a race car friend, both of you. All right. So, stamp of approval. They're both race car friends. You guys go check out their Instagrams, and you'll see them on the channel in the future. All right, guys. All right, race car friends out. So I'm getting ready to film today's video. This is basically the first step in making the Subi faster than the Camaro SS normally. And look what I run into. Like our arch nemesis. We got a Lancer Evo over here that looks amazing. This thing looks great. So yeah, and I think this thing is fast. Like just looking at it, it's got the Brembo brakes. It's got the front lip splitter. I see ETS on there. Yeah, so this thing looks mean. So it's just kind of crazy that we have, two of the long-standing rivals here together as we're getting ready to go do a 0 to 60 test on the STI with the Cobb Stage 1 off-the-shelf tune. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that and see where we are as far as 0 to 60 time versus the Camaro SS. So without further ado, we'll show you what we got to help us do that test.